Right, hi people, and welcome to your mirror setting up process. A very important part of setting up the car is ensuring that you can see as much as you can behind the vehicle using your three mirrors. The first thing we need to do is set the rear view mirror so we can see as much as the back window as we can. We don't really want to be staring at the seats, and we don't want to be staring at the ceiling of the car. We want to get as much glass in that image as much as we can. All right. Next thing that we do is we actually move to the side mirrors. The control over here, there's a switch that will switch between the two mirrors on various different vehicles. The buttons in different places. But what we do is we start with the left. All right, we'll set it to the left, and what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the height of the mirror so it's actually seeing as much as we can in the mirror. What that means is ensure that you're not staring at the floor and you're not staring at the sky. You want to imagine that you're looking at a horizon in your mirror. All right, very important. The next thing we do is we move the mirror out into the correct position to get maximum view to the side. If you're staring in your mirror and you're staring at your vehicle, then you're not seeing what's off to the side 3 to 4 to 5 feet away. This is how we ensure we see that space. We move our mirror outwards until the side of the vehicle will actually disappear from the very inside edge of the mirror. When doing this, note, keep the head in the position that you'd be relaxed in while you're driving, and just turn and look into the mirror. So as I turn and look into the mirror, I move it out, the car just disappears, and that will give me maximum view to the side of the vehicle. Then obviously you're going to repeat the process for the mirror on the right hand side. The last thing that you can do to ensure that these mirrors are set up as correctly as possible, you can actually have your parent or a friend or a colleague go and stand at least 3 to 4 feet off the side of the vehicle and actually walk down the side of the vehicle. As they walk down the side of the vehicle, as soon as they disappear out of the view of the side mirror, hit the horn, letting them know that they need to stop walking. As they stop walking, you literally should be able to just turn your head to the side and see that person that's disappeared out of your mirror. Obviously repeat it from the left, from the right and the left, ensuring that you've got the maximum view so you can see people driving beside you and not just the sides of your car.